for the jury for giving me this wonderful opportunity. So, can you able to hear me, sir? I just want to check.
No, you are not visible.
Yeah, 1 minute. Where we tied up with district administration during the pandemic situation. So, I would like to share my screen right now.
Yes, sir, you can.
Yep. So hello. Can you able to see my slide? So I'll be sharing my slide. So this is as you said earlier, this is Tirupur Corona Fighters team. I'm from team Tirupur Corona Fighters. So I'm from a city called Tirupur. So Tirupur is the fourth largest city in Tamil Nadu with approximate of 9.5 lakh population and shortly called as Textile City of India. So first case reported on March 21st, 2020. So we, as a volunteers, we went and approached our district honorable collector, Dr. K. Vijaykarthikeyan regarding this, and we separated ourselves with our team, and we come up with a few ideas to help the people during this pandemic. So first, what we decided is to aware the people. So first thing we wanted is in order to aware the people to avoid crowds during the pandemic. We collected the list of grocery shop, milk vendors, medicine shop, gas agencies in and around the Tirupur city, and we made them as a phone booking services. So if someone want to book them, if someone having needs, so like if I need a grocery or milk or medicine, I just simply ring a phone and I can able to get the things at my doorstep. So this is the first step we did during this pandemic lockdown with the help of the Tirupur district administration. And second step what we did is we started to collecting the list which is essential. So with the help of volunteers and the social media, we use social media as a great weapon. Next. So this was a various activity done by Tirupur district administration during this pandemic. So first we did public awareness with the help of volunteers. So how we gathered volunteers? We tied up with few college students and few NGOs with their support. We started we started creating awareness among the public, those who like coming out during that lockdown. So we have some we were like different types of activity. So we have some name boards like that we started doing, and it goes like on. And next, so what are the things we started? So first thing, what we introduced is this door delivery system. The very first thing we introduced is door delivery system, which is the necessary thing for groceries, gas, medicine, medical, and emergency. Then thirdly, we created help desk, the 24/7 help desk for the emergency situation. So these are some of the things. So we tied up with local grocery shop. Simply what we did is we tied up with local grocery shop and we shared their contact details with the local area. For example, Tirupur is divided into four zone. So north zone is having different. So north zone will be having different grocery shops. South zone will be having different grocery shops. What we did is we tied up with the north zone grocery shops and we provided the mobile number. That mobile number will be shared with the local people, so they can communicate with the things whatever they need, and the things will be delivered into their doorstep by following the government norms. So these are the few pamphlets we created during the time. So it was well appreciated by the people, and we got a huge response among the people. So people started using this activity. They started adapting the model. So next thing what we did is medical medicine delivery. So we tied up with almost we covered all the medical shops in and around the city of Tirupur, and we provided the mobile number. So once you need the mobile, once you need a medicine or something else, you can just drop up, you can call them, and you can get that medicine in your doorstep. And the same way we tied up with Rotary people and NGO and few nursery home and all. We tied up with ambulance service also. So if you need an ambulance, you can call them at any time, and you can get the ambulance services. So this is another one. And third, that this is the main thing which got a huge response among the people. Once the pandemic is getting up, we come up with a solution called disinfection tunnel. So which was first introduced in the Tirupur city, which was designed by our team, one of our team which is locally called Tenambalayam. So in the area, we designed and we kept it in the mass gathering appropriate places. So like with markets, so nearby area. So you like step by step procedure. So we kept this as, and it was open and integrated by our honorable district collector, Dr. K. Vijay Karthikeyan IAS, and we got a huge response among others. And next thing, so next we come up with an idea called automated hand wash system and mask vending system. So this automatic hand wash system is kept outside of the government areas, schools, hospitals, everywhere it was placed, and mask vending also, because so it is one of the mandatory thing. So we were introduced and it was kept around the district. And the next thing, the next important thing was during the pandemic situation. Actually, Tirupur city is flooded with people. So about around 80% of the people is migrant workers, which they are coming from North India. So during this pandemic situation, so many of this North Indian workers or laborers are being left out with the food. So what we did is we come up with the idea called community kitchen. So what we did is we set up a community kitchen model in and around the Tirupur district, and we served around 43,000 plates of meal to the needy during the lockdown period. On an average, 500 plates per day, 500 plates of food. So with the help of Tirupur district administration. And next thing, so what we did, we took a weapon, social media, in order to reach the people. So with the help of our district collector. So first thing we did is the give up challenge. So I'm not sure how many of you know this. So every Sunday we used to have the entire lockdown in Tamil Nadu. Every Sunday we used to have 144 with the lockdown. So during those days, people, what we did is like people won't be living without eating non-veg. So what we can come up with an idea called give up challenge. So what people used to do is like during that day, what they have to do is if they take give up challenge, then they have to give up their non-veg to avoid the non-veg food. So we started it in a single way, and we got 7 lakh impressions in Twitter. So that was a huge amount. That was a huge response which we had. So the give up challenge is like I think you can able to see this. Give up your favorite food on this Sunday, which is dated on 12/4/2020. So whoever is staying in the home, not crowding, in order to avoid the crowd, in order to avoid the propagation of virus. So we come up with the idea, and we got an enormous response in the Twitter. Then it got spreaded virally. This is one of the challenge which we introduced. And second challenge is umbrella challenge. So this umbrella challenge is like if you are whenever going out, you can have one umbrella and you can start standing. Obviously, you can able to stand in a distance, social distancing. So if you're having umbrella distance, you can obviously you can have social distance. So this idea also it was done by us only. So it was also got a huge response from the people. So people started using umbrellas during markets. So they started going up with umbrella. So this is one of the umbrella challenge. And next, what we did is we started educating people by having memes. We used meme as a weapon. So I think you can able to see the pictures, people having umbrellas, standing, and we used some memes also. So in Tamil Nadu, we have Vadivelu as a meme man. So he started using memes, and we got huge response. Social media, umbrella, and Facebook, we use that as a weapon. This is one thing. And this another active thing which is happened right now. I mean, which is happening today also. So every day, our in district collector Tirupur page, you can able to see the cases increase, total number of cases, total cases, active cases, how many discharged, how many in home quarantine, how many newly added, how many home quarantine has been completed, how many samples taken today. This thing will be every day will be updated in the Facebook. You can find it in the Facebook, you can find it in the Twitter as well. This thing will be seen in the Tirupur district collector page and as well as our collector personal profile. And next thing is the migrant. So 80% of the people is migrant. And what we did is during the pandemic situation, we set up with the community kitchen and as well we helped them. So around 20,000 migrant laborers from various states are provided with the essential groceries and vegetables along with the Tamil families by our team, the TCF with the Tirupur Corona Fighters team. So again, we set up 24-hour migrant help desk was set up at the collectorate and request proceeded immediately along with the CMO office, social media requests and other state leader requests also. So we will be having our communications with Twitter and Facebook. We will be receiving requests from CMO official pages requesting that one of the few North Indians are stayed here. Kindly help them. So we'll be officially having the people and we'll be helping them out. So these are the few pictures. You can see that we helped out North Indian like Bikaris. So we approach them straightly and we'll be giving the food. So we have many stories like this actually. So they'll be staying in around the people. They'll be staying in their home. So we'll be taking our vehicles and we'll be providing them the requirements. First we'll be approaching them and we'll be getting the details. How many are there? So what kind of things they needed. So then we'll be helping them with the necessary things. So this is another one more thing. This is a vegetable thing. So door-to-door vegetable collection. Door-to-door vegetable thing was sales was introduced by our collector, honorable collector Dr. K. Vijay Karthikeyan IAS during this, and it was also a nice initiative. And we reached around some 40,000 people with this plan. Entire Tirupur city was. So we started like it was like after once the pandemic was getting up, we started approaching people and creating awareness around the area. We have markings. We have in fish market, in bus stops, and in railway stations. Everywhere we started approaching the people and we started talking to them and started creating awareness. Meat shop and all other through our volunteers. And again, the temporary accommodations are provided to the field dwellers at the community center with the food bureau. We are tied up with many organizations. So initially we had only TCF and the days upon we got many organizations we tied up. So this is one of the interesting things. So around 1,000 plus differently able people in and around Tirupur city were provided grocery kits by our TCF team at their doorstep by joining with differently able welfare association. This is one of the main thing we did during the pandemic. So the control room system, help desk was introduced. Emergency pregnancy control room and migrant labor emergency control room was created and handled by our volunteers. The entire team, an exclusive help desk was set up at a district collectorate to help the public to answer their queries. And also volunteers helped and students help desk was set up and made the process simple through TCF team. So these are the help desk, just the pictures. I'm just showing the picture. So we have separate migrant workers help desk, separate pregnancy help desk, separate quarantine help desk. We have 3 different help desks, and all 3 help desks was thoroughly run by volunteers. With the support of Tirupur district administration. So we got enormous response from the people. The beautiful thing is we started getting response from the people. So we will be getting calls from migrants, especially from North India. We will be getting huge number of calls from the migrant workers. It's like my brother, my sister is staying in this area. Can you please help them? We started approaching them and we provided answers by having the pictures. We just send the pictures and they'll be like happy. Okay. Again, pregnancy. So during this pandemic, we started we're getting calls from pregnancy and we'll be sending the ambulance, we'll be sending the groceries. The most enormous thing is many people requested us to bring groceries and medicine. It is important, necessary thing we have. Then quarantine, if some positive cases we have, so daily we'll be having positive cases. The positive cases we'll be started tracking their families. So where they are coming from, what happened. So where is that? Then we'll be started, we'll be giving the awareness. So we have to be in home quarantine. So that is what the work for quarantine is. So we have separate team for migrant, for pregnancy, from quarantine, we have separate. And again, this is mobile fish market. In order to avoid crowds, around some 45 vehicle of mobile fish market with the help of Tamil Nadu government and with the help of Tirupur district administration, the mobile fish market has been introduced and it was enormous result. It is also one of the initiative by Tirupur district administration. And how we got volunteers. So we created posters and we created mobile numbers. So if they have to first, if they want to be a volunteer, they have to first undergo a corona COVID test and they can able to join with us. So this is what the thing we will be getting up. So we will be pasting the things, we will be control room, the mobile number, the volunteer mobile numbers also will be shared with the cases. So everything will be in transparent way.
Please conclude now.
Harish sir, now you can conclude the presentation because we are running out of time.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that. So these are the things. So the thing is that we like migrant workers are wanted to travel back their hometown during lockdown. Our TCA volunteer helped and police with the help of police department, and we send them back with the train, special trains. Special trains were allotted for the North Indian laborers. So we provided them with the food. So around 250 plus volunteers and ration forms. 43,000 people are provided the rations, especially the 43,000 are the Hindi laborers. The 43,000 is also Hindi laborers. So these are the forms. So like a simple form. Relief for during the we'll be getting the forms and forms will be diverted to the government officials and they will be taken back. So obviously volunteers are screening for the COVID-19 test. That is. So as I said earlier, positive patients are they followed up by dedicated volunteers. Everywhere the volunteer team will be following up. So they're one of the gratitude from the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh. So for our great work. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for your great time.
Jury questions.
Just can you tell me just one?
Yes, sir.
You can say that was your biggest challenge in meeting or response to COVID.
Food is the biggest challenge during our pandemic.
That is distribution of food. What is that?
No, it's not a distribution of food. Demand for food. People started calling for food actually.
No, I'm not getting you.
People not for distribution. Like they started approaching a demand. Like we prepare only 500 plates, but we'll be having demand of 1,500 plates of food every day.
Then how did you overcome it?
Yeah, we set up few more community kitchens. We tied up with many NGOs.
Anyway, some of your initiatives are good, like the umbrella part you told.
Okay, sir.
But whether people are now following it or it was just for pictorial purpose or one.
No. So actually, they are following it. Actually, they are well. Actually, they are.
In other pictures, we did not see them with umbrella, except in one picture.
Okay. But they are following it. But the give up challenge is like one of the beautiful challenges. Actually, we never expect that it would be reached such more nights during that Sunday.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
What is the status of testing in your state as of now?
So now, sir, I just actually as of 21st October, the sample is like 2,584, which is available on Facebook.
Okay.
So we have cases 120, total cases 11,558 so far. Active is 1108, and discharge is 101. Total house quarantine is 5427, which is available in Facebook. So every day the district collector page will be like they will be updating this thing. Area wise breakup will be there.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.